The VS7002 Oil Seal Removal and Installation Kit. It's supplied with a range of adapters and spacers to suit the majority of popular vehicles. The kit is designed for use with the engine in situ in the vehicle. However, for clarity, we've shown the engine removed. To extract the seal, you will need to remove the pulley. Now you can insert the puller legs into the inside edge of the seal. Then slide the head of the puller legs into the beam. You can now turn the thrust screw clockwise till it comes into contact with the crankshaft or camshaft. Finally, continue tightening till the seal is fully extracted. To install, you will need to use the existing pulley bolt and washer. Firstly, choose the chrome adapter to suit the diameter of the bolt and insert it into the chrome universal carrier. Then select the chrome spacer to suit the thickness of the pulley and a coloured adapter to suit the diameter of the new oil seal. Next, hand fit the new oil seal into the engine. You are now ready to thread the pulley bolt and washer through the installer components and screw them onto the crank or camshaft by hand. Now, using a spanner, tighten the crank bolt clockwise till the new oil seal is fully installed. The bolt can now be turned anti-clockwise to remove the kit components. And that completes the installation process. This excellent kit makes light work of an often awkward and time-consuming job. The VS7002, the perfect addition to your workshop.